MMS, sino ang mananaig sa ating first game of our third day ng FEU Cup Basketball Tournament. MMS has the ball now. 50 seconds remaining. 4-3, bang! Ang isa pa lang ng quarter, nagpapaulan na. Number 24, directing the traffic. So number 1, fix. Intercepted. But they regain the ball possession. Number 11, bombs. Foul. For number 0. Will make it. No. Miss the free throw. MMS. Have the ball now. Number 15. Number 11. Setting up a screen. Intercepted. MHS. Having the ball now. Layup. Good for number 26. Grabe yung Pinoy step doon. Number 15. To number 81. To number 11. Inside for number 0, it's good. Close. For 3, misses. Third personal foul. Second team foul. For another long 3. No good. MMS. Intercepted. MMS. Ball possession. Number 11. Number 37. Back to number 11. Setting up a play. What will they do here in this possession? Inside, lose it. Number 24, driving straight to the basket. Missed the layup. First personal foul. 2 free throws for number 24. Made the first free throw. Third team foul for MMS. Second free throw, will make it? It's good. Number 11, looking for an opening. Under the basket. Bumps, shoots, missed. Number 24, no. Stolen by number 27. To number 81 for 3. Bang! 3-point shot by number 81. Time check, 6 minutes. And 35 seconds remaining in our third quarter. Under the basket. Layup block. But there's foul. Foul number 20. Warning for penalty na ang ating MMS. Second free throw is it. But will he get the possession? Yes, he made it, but another block. Seconds remaining in the shot now. What will MHS do? Number 9 has the ball now. To number 26. For 3. No good. Rebounded by MMS. Number 11. Stolen by number 26. Driving straight to the basket. Blocked by number 27. Sa depensa. Ngayon, ball possession ng MMS. Number 81, has the ball. Number 11, inside the basket, under the paint. Foul. Free throw for MBHS. Listen. We also have the ball possession. No, another free throw for number 24. Penalty na ang MMS. No good. Number 81, passing opportunity. Number 11, layup, no good. Sayang. Number, almost missed the ball, but they regain it. Number 24. MBHS, what will they do? Setting up a screen. Driving. Floater, no good. Rebounded by number 5. Number 11, passing opportunity. Layup, just foul. Foul number 9 jersey. Second free throw. Miss it. Rebounded by number 26. MBH has the ball now. The number 1. Layup. No good. Rebounded by number 27. MMS, number 81. Driving straight to the basket. Up and layup. No good. Follow up. Number 5. It's good. MBHS, what will they do in this ball possession? Setting up a play. Number 24. Bumps. Inside the paint. Third quarter. Number 26. Fakes, layup, miss it. Rebounded by number 5. Fighting for the ball. Lose it. Turnover. Number 26, intercepted. 4, taking. For 3, number 3. Missed. Fighting for the rebound, number 81. Number 14, floater, no good. Rebounded by number 11. Tight defense. Number 11 has the ball. Pass to number 26. Looking for an opening. 10 seconds remaining in the shot clock. Setting up a screen. Number 26. Kick out to number 34. Fix. Drive. Inside the paint. Fighting for the ball. MMS to number 81. Vince, lose it. Stolen by number 19. Back to number 9. Number 3. Traveling violation. MMS has the ball possession now. Number 14. Mama Dre. Number 81. To number 27. Fix. Back to number 14. 11. Drive, floater, is good. To number 11. MBHS. Ang gagawin nila dito. Number 24. Directly to basket. Number 11. Takes. Under the basket. Just foul. Number 5. 2 free throws for number 11. Second, no good. 1, 4, 3, no good. Number 24. Passing opportunity. Number 3. For 3, bang! 3-point shot made by number 26. Number 11. Number 14. Number 5. Under the paint. Layup is good for number 5. Number 24. For another long 3. Yes, rebounded by MMS. Full court press. Take to the basket. Fighting for the ball. Score natin 55-42 in favor of MMS. Time check 1 minute and 18 seconds remaining in our third quarter. Number 15. Number 22. Number 27. Mid-range. No good. Fighting for the ball. Number 3. Turnover. Smart possession. Number 14. Number 1. Number 5. Mid-range shot. It's good for number 5. 20 seconds remaining in our third quarter. Anong gagawin ng MBHS dito? Directing the topic. To number 9. Back to number 26. 3. Reverse layup. No. Traveling, violate. Number 15. 30 seconds remaining. Number 27. Fix this foul. First personal foul. Second free throw. In and out. Full court press. 20 seconds remaining. Number 26, naghahanap ng teammate na papasahan. Number 26, mid-range shot. No good. But they still have the rebound. Number 3, reverse layup is good for number 3. 3 seconds remaining. 14. For long, not intercepted. And that's the end of our third quarter. Our score, 57.